Anyways, I just dey come back from Port Harcourt. I follow my guy go deny belle. Baba, my guy give girl belle. Come out and like subsidy. The girl say no. He sue my guy to court. Now me be eyewitness. We reach court, they give me Bible. I stand for witness box. Now say, I, MC Monica, swear that anything I say shall be the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God. For another person, sexual intercourse, no be my own. Lawyer come meet me, say, witness, I put it to you. I say, no be me put it on my guy, see I'm there. No allow anybody pressure you. This country where Kogi State Governor come and say he's a happy married woman. Nigeria is in a state of Shetima. If you have money now, squander it. This country will expire on Tuesday by 4 or 4:30. What are you telling me? In my family, no breadwinner. Anybody will carry something come as 9 days, 9, 10 will be that. They get breadwinner again. My mother flash me and flash am back. Now, boy, you born me, no be you carry me on this life. When I know say this Christmas no go get head, now when I see Father Christmas, they dance to win Indomie. Baba, the life don't rough. And they come here, bouncers just they show themselves. Do you know that as a bouncer, if you lose weight, you don't lose your job? Now bouncer will lose weight, the barman. For rehab, now I get one bouncer will lose weight. He comes, he say, manager say, what happened? He say, I was sick. He say, what else can you do? He said, I can shout. Now, so he said, don't hype man. Give me. Baba, if you're a woman here and you're married, every time your husband, they upload your picture for social media, they do my lovely wedded wife. That man, they shit on you. And those years where they comment nice couple, now then they sleep with your husband. No be joke. The worst one where they follow your wife, they do your husband, they do threesome. Now that one where they call you mama, you happy. Now you born now. They are sleeping with your husband. Some men know they laugh to this joke. Do I care about your emotional feeling? Nigerian girls, they go to shout, they go to shop your money. They say, my mental health will be affected. Don't be your mate, they Chris. Come on, get up. Any small thing, mental health. Ha. Baba, Yahoo don't hard. If you are doing Yahoo, leave that thing, do ritual. I say, I go do ritual. Now I go meet Okanaya. I see Okanaya, they shoot skits with basket mat. Say, na confession. Who asked you to confess? Allow us finish this thing. I go meet native doctor, say, I want to do ritual. Native doctor tell me, say, go do for me. I go get money, but I no go argue with anybody. For this country, we argument free. Ha. If I dey try, I'm gonna clap now. Shoot.
Nobody will no fit to make her.
Baba, you dey Chris. You dey take risk. I don't make her. I resemble Therese for your eye. Last time they say I insult deputy governor. Deputy governor, I'm sorry. This country has insulted me too. Am I supposed to be doing the job? Now, doctor body I get. But look at what I'm doing. It is an ordinary eye. I suppose they bank, they shout, next customer, please, next customer. But look at how life keep me. This year, I don't get any New Year resolution. Anywhere life carry me go, I did ya. Now, the most wicked people, now first they send Happy New Year, Happy New Year. They owe me, they send me Happy New Year. What's happy about this year? Don't try that nonsense. This life, my landlord will use rules and regulation, 1 kill us for Lagos. They deport him for misbehavior for UK. He dey compound now, the mumu.
This life.
DJ, you calm down. This Nigeria go, the way this country, this year I say I go do transgender. If I don't do transgender, I go do nyash. Now people will get nyash, they make up. In fact, this country need to do nyash. Our economy is going down. Somebody need to rise up. Raise on. Shoot. That razor na nonsense. So one guy they play that razor and house rent don't expire. Now razor. Baba no razor now. Shoe, if they wear red and black, I go stab you. You be Benin Curtis, I will Bayelsa Curtis. Highest if una kill me here. If I say if I come Benin, I crack joke, and I no laugh. I go back Lagos, join Maria's record, they kill me. Now I go still protest. Imo le Monica. Baba, I do this one and I go. Do you know that Yahoo is in the Bible? If you are doing Yahoo, you are fulfilling the scripture. I'll prove it to you. Luke chapter 5, verse 5. Open your Bible. Let me shock you. If you do Yahoo, no bomb UK. Those people are very wicked people. They shout work. If you don't put in it, they're not going to reply you. They're going to play with you now when you beat them. You go see complain. Luke chapter 5, verse 5. Who is there? Luke chapter 5, verse 5. He said, and Simeon answered and said unto him, Master, we have toiled all night. What was toiled? Bomb. I have taken nothing. We never catch work. Now, master, look and say, the grace. You can't be complete. Come on, go there, go bomb. Now, he said, nevertheless, I that word, I'll lay down the net. Which net? Internet. Verse 6. And when they have done this, they enclose a great multitude of fishes. Maga don't drop. And their net break. It don't drop for the other. Verse 7. And they beckon on their partner. Who be their partner? As a man. You cannot do it alone. Be a good night.
Oh, boys.
Hey God, see crowd. Now, wow, who can remain for Benin Road? Everywhere don't full. Person we don't treat staphylococcus 3 times. Now they call chief of staff. At that point, any hospital where you enter, doctor will they give you salute. Chief of staff. Supposed to they work side by side with you. You don't treat. You don't swallow medicine. You treat and come back, you treat and come back. Baba, they're supposed to give you. We're supposed to give you something. After chief of staff, what do you call him? Well, people don't get infection, you say? So the staff of honor. Staff of honor. My brother, if infection hold you, you won't go buy medicine. You go wait me everybody buy finish. They're going to say you get good behavior, not lie. You won't see the doctor direct. Infection don't do one of my friends now. Not be me. When I reach there, now the doctor said, what do you want? He said, no, attend to all of them. The doctor said, you came before them. No, it doesn't mean. They are in a hurry. The doctor said, no problem. You attend to everybody. As doctor I said, what do you want? I said, hey, doctor, I want my enter. Attend to him. Doctor said, sir, you came before them. I need to attend to you. I said, doctor, the person knows that I get them. Doctor, one of my friends, we having that discharge. Now I got there and say, that your friend, how old is he? Like 32, 33, like age. You no get money, you dey carry your drink go toilet. Who want poison poor man? They protect your poverty. God, I beg you. Women hear me. Any man will tell you, say, I like your vibes. He won't wipe you. I like your vibes. Now wipe you. Men, if you want to say man, I'm a motivational speaker. You carry babe, go out. Get where you don't meet for the first time. Carry and go out. You can't try to hold the girl. You can't be girl where come from family where they speak English. The girl can't tell and say, you invited me to have sex with me? Is that why you invited me? Thought you wanted us to just know each other. Start from somewhere. You can't see the guy. My father didn't raise me a rapist. The first time I met you, I saw aspiration, I saw dreams, I saw vision. I saw intelligence. I'm not who you think I am. Now who you be, idiot? Now who you be? Now the guy plan to sleep, but he won't know you. You can't see the guy. The guy can't say, since you've started seeing me as somebody who collected your number because of sex, I would just like you to sleep on the bed. Let me just stay on the ground. And that ground where you did, you know, say your mind no go touch ground. You know, your mind, you know, say that ground, your mind until you come. You know, if you sleep. And those men, when they don't go that ground, they will go find one place where they say the guy go pity them. They go sleep near pot where they never wash. Now the guy will come and tell them, please, you're making me feel bad. You're not comfortable in your house. No, come and say, just stay like that so that you know the kind of man I am. You'll be winged. No, you know yourself, you won't wipe. You can't tell the guy, just stay on the bed. In the morning, you go home, we'll keep talking, you'll know I'm a very calm man. Now lie. You can't see him. You can't the rope pull himself. If he carry pot on the rope for his face, the guy will come on light. The guy will come go meet him. Jude, I need to see you as a rapist. Please, I beg you, I can't be on your bed and you stay on the ground. Please, can you come to your bed? You go see the man, don't stand up. Men where the weekend, but I they will go play Westlife. That time, if you want to hold the girl in slow motion, go keep hand for shoulder. After I keep hand for shoulder, you go the carry and go down small. Wash your hand, touch nipple. Normally, any girl will touch your nipple, you're supposed to say, oh. Any girl will touch your nipple, you see they look you big time. Now, Banjo, you know they follow God's plan. God's plan, and when they touch your nipple, you say, oh. Now, so when Adam touch Eve nipple, you do oh now.
Yes. What's going on? My father said, now man, when get money, they do DNA test. That is why poor men, they live on for God. My papa telling me, say, no matter how CCTV camera observe rich, you know they see rich man when they come up for hotel with inside chick. Me something no swear. Bini is very sweet, but I won't be gonna with good. If stranger come on, I treat them like stranger, especially the guests. I just come, no they treat me like say I be Benin boy. And you get one thing when they do me for this Benin today, I will never forget. I go buy seafood okra. I see goat meat inside. Maybe that one paid me. I won't complain, give the woman. And the woman going to say, oh, when they go fetch the seafood, now flood the key go to join. So waiting water kill, no be seafood. Abi? He said, naim. 2 days support evil. This country don't rugged though. Whenever I win stand New Year, I don't get resolution. Now this poor year for myself. Me as I did like I don't get resolution. I just the rugged down. If you show me shaky, I show you shaky. I will not be so. I just my deputy. You know why they call my deputy? My own state deputy, we know they see. We know they see the election. Then they'll come give us man where be woman as governor. I'm from Kogi. You know no? See, Kogi na country on your own. See una. Una they complain, say some people they complain, say una get pothole for Benin. You don't see pothole. Now Kogi go see pothole inside pothole. Keke don't ever enter pothole na no seeing head. Apemona komoto na no know what thing go do for now. You don't see pot. Now for Kogi person go bath from bathroom. You need to jump on cook. You never understand. Poverty in a bastard. You know, say, I say, man, you get the way you go broke and you when they ask your girlfriend whether you get another boy when you go borrow no money. I don't say anything I do for this life. I must marry who fine. As I slim like this, I must not marry who slim. And I don't know why they wear big clothes. You get the way I go marry who slim like me, will go tango for bed. Because it takes two to tango. I say, winning girls, as I was saying earlier, please, I beg you, na stranger I be. If I fall in love with you, no, they treat me like winning boy. I just fall in love with one winning girl now, we want the fellowship. As with the fellowship, somebody say, waiting be fellowship. Now everything you know, no, they stress me, I don't like this work. Monica, when you say supposed to be banker, me. I supposed to be lawyer, I supposed to do what they shout. I put it to you, my Lord. But Nigeria put them for my body, water. I know like stress. When I start this work, it didn't say I like him. My father looked at me and said, how come my first son be making jest of himself? I said, calm down, you go like this work. Money there, I may not believe. Last year, June, now go presidential villa, go crack joke. Then pay me 4 million to perform for 10 minutes. I nearly perform for 4 days. Poverty in a bastard. You don't know, say, get the kind of money you go give your family like this, your position for family go change. You don't know. Some of you now, why not know the family WhatsApp group? You are contributing nothing. You are a waste of space. That's why I sent my father 1 million. When the alert enter in phone, my father phone face off. As he charge, carry phone, call me. For 2 minutes, my father no talk. I just hear, Now I say hello. The first thing when my papa when born me talk now, my brother. God bless you. Now I say no, now me your son. He say shut up. Now small begin to worry you. What you do for me now? Only brother if you do one for brother. It is say my father was. You don't see my mama. The first day I gave my mother 500,000 naira cash. As I give her the money, she hold them. Now once she look me and say, what has this little girl done to deserve all this? You never say anything. Poverty in a bastard. Beginning girls, back to you. We want the fellowship. I just say, now once beginning girl just look me and say, and you they do me well, but I know they enjoy do me like Charlie Poppy. I say, I don't understand. He say, you go just the bend like Benz. So as I want the bend like Benz, I want hit something. Followed everywhere. Now I want to tell the girl, be this. Beginning girl look at me and tell me, say, inside my avian, another avian there inside. Good night.